Frank Simoncini, the Flow Fixer, Gilbert, Arizona. Hey, I was talking to one of my patients yesterday about erectile dysfunction, and it was a gentleman we put a penile implant in. And he said, yeah, having sex is great and all that, but the best part about having a penile implant is it restores your confidence. He said having to worry about if it's going to work, if the pill's going to work, if the pill's not going to work, that's what made his life miserable. Almost more so than not the inability to have sex sometimes. He said it restores his confidence, it completely improved his quality of life, changed his relationship with his wife. That's what he says is the best thing about having a penile implant, is restoration of his confidence and not having to worry. So come and see me at Southeast Valley Urology. We do many penile implants. I've been doing them for over 25 years now. Come and see us in Gilbert, Arizona. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. That helps with our algorithm. We want to get this message out there to as many people as we can. Restore your confidence. Come and see me in Gilbert. You might not be the first, but you can be the next.